countryman, countrywoman. Story day. Wait till the next story. What the try for now? Na tenor manager. Tafis. Tafis. If you know that time for Kamel Obanzik success now. For parler de sport for Yaoundé. Tafis. Tafis now, they understand why plenty TikTok at them. They go begin talk say, tenor know the sing. Tenor il ne chante pas. Chante pas. What I chante pas na wait yo. I know me. Anytime, tenor ne chante pas, Chanel ne chante pas. On n'a pas oh. Mais explain for we how the thing go waka. Why TikTok at them, they talk say tenor the sing. Because according to them, the tenor they don't know where they do rap. It change a small, it put small sing there, it put small rap there, it put a so for them now, they sing fine. Now anyway, Tafis, former manager for tenor, he come now, he defend tenor. He talk say they a witchcraft. You know some person, you there with you talk say they are friend, you talk say the artist so you like it. Then problem there, he say what criticize for looking number for tell say. I think say what you do so, if I will do so. You go take your camera, you put up, you start the record up. Hey tenor, I tell you, say no for sing this and that. He say it pass witchcraft. No be me I talk Now Tafis talk up. He say people they pass their time for the copy to other one that they do. They want key that one the way they do the thing where they copy them. If you not feel key that one the way they do the thing where they copy them. Una go copy who again? If you like some man, you pretend to some man they are friend, the man get problem or you think some problem there for the trade the man they do. The easy thing for do for you, now for contact the man, advise it directly. Now for contact your friend, talk for it directly. Instead for go put your camera, start the talk. I talk say they want know this so you need to hear people, you need to hear talk. What will they talk for them? They talk say this and that, para this and that. I think say Tafis is correct for what you talk. If man are your friend, I repeat them, if you talk to some man are your friend, you no feed go now for social media for go begin talk for you. No matter for social media. The best way for talk for you now for call you, the best way for talk for you now for write it. No be for go put your camera on for start talk about it in the way they do.